to Rainbow Day. Today I'm going to tell you how to do an egg decorating kit. My mom bought it on Amazon and she bought the eggs from the supermarket. You can use edible eggs that you can eat, or you can just use fake eggs that you cannot eat. First, buy this machine on Amazon. I already colored my egg, so you won't see that it's a usual egg because I already colored mine. First, you see this hole here? Put the egg right in. Then do you see this button? You just put it up. And then it starts moving. Then you use your color, then go on it. Be careful not to get it to the side or it might flip over. And you can also mix your color. Then you have to let it dry off if it's not dried yet. Then if you have like one of these holders, then put it in. If it is a small egg, it might slip down. So make sure to use a little medium, a little small egg and a little big egg. It can be like medium. Just be careful, it might crack. You might be looking at something else and it might fall down and crack. So just be careful of that. If you have this like kind of vase, you can also put those eggs in here if you don't have any more room. That's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching Rainbow Day channel. See you back on Rainbow Day channel. Subscribe to my videos and leave comments down below. Bye!